Have you ever wondered how a luxury motorhome is built? Well, we're here at the Paradise Motorhomes factory on Queensland's Gold Coast, where many of the motorhome components are either constructed or processed in-house before final assembly takes place. So let's go and see how it's done. All Paradise Motorhomes start life in the metal fabrication area, where the cutting and welding of Paradise's high tensile alloy rollover frame and patent slide-out mechanism takes place, before slotting onto the back of a base platform like the latest Iveco Daily. Depending on the model, it can take over a week to build the alloy frame, including mounts for water tanks and generators, before it moves onto the next section. This is where the sub-assembly and underbody fit-out takes place, including all the out-of-sight plumbing for generators and diesel heaters, while small parts like custom brackets are also made here. Unlike some other manufacturers, Paradise constructs its motorhome from the outside in, a bit like building a house, which takes longer but helps improve quality. Ensuring the fibreglass sandwich panels are square is a critical part of the build, followed by installation of the honeycomb floor, wheel trims and storage bins. Great care is taken to hide away all the wiring and ensure the one-piece fibreglass nose cone fits perfectly before heading to the paint shop. Aiming for a luxury car-like finish, Paradise buyers get the choice of either a 2 or 3 tone high gloss exterior, as well as the option of any colour combination. Locker and entry doors and front bumpers are all sprayed separately during the labour-intensive process, with the option of a tough Raptor coating on off-road models. The upholstery department also allows a custom look for the hand-stitched leather upholstery, while the latest Paradise campervans now benefit from a classy vinyl interior wall finish instead of the usual carpet. Paradise's busy furniture department combines the latest CNC machines with old-school timber craftsmanship, as the panels are shaped and cut before final sanding and varnishing of timber edge bench tops on premium models. Fibreglass moulds are also done in-house, including shower cubicles and storage bins, while in another section some of the fibreglass wall panels are pressed before they're computer cut. Even in final assembly, it could be another 3 weeks before the motorhomes are ready for handover, with everything from a coat of grippy solar shield paint on the roof to the extensive electrical fit-out completed in this section. The final job is some marine-style back sealing to ensure a perfect finish before a water leak test and final quality control check. So there you have it. It takes approximately 8 to 14 weeks to build each Paradise motorhome, which says something about the attention to detail taken at each stage of the production process. Then, if you're lucky enough to have your name on the order sheet, you could be driving away in something like this. Happy days.